So Priyadasi Raja. It is in a Barbar caves. Barbar caves में क्या है इसक्राइब्ड है? अशोका है ना, प्रियदर्शी राजा. And then Ashok Maurya. कहाँ पर? यूपी में जूनागढ़ inscription. Understood? Ashok Maurya. Ashok Maurya. So which are the name I said that? What are the four? First हमने बोला प्रियदर्शी, pleasing to look at. Then I said that Devanam Priya, and then beloved to God. Then I said that Ashok Dharmashoka. And where is the Dharmashoka? Sarna. Ashok Vardhan Purana. And Ashok Maurya Junagadh. And then Priyadasi 10 मतलब पिया को 10 बार देखने के बाद क्या हो गया? तो वो जनरल लोगों का होगा कंधे पे जाना, लेकिन राजा देखेगा बार बार देखेगा. क्या देखेगा? बार बार. कैप्स क्लियर? सो वी हैव बीन एबल टू सी, ही सेड दैट व्हाट इज द what we are doing, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. According to Asoka, he said the true spirit of religion does not lie in the is or not fulfilling by keeping fast or sinking hands for reciting prayers. लोग आजकल के डेट में क्या करते हैं? ऐसे बोलते हैं जय मानिकन गोसागर, जय कपिल सिब्बल गोसागर. मतलब they are traditional. They have recited something like this and then ध्यान कहीं और. So I said यहाँ पर कैसा है? So keeping fast and the reciting so many hands and all, it is in your mind. It is not going to what is gonna help you. What is gonna receiving something good in the. He said he was on the contrary quite sure that the true religion consisted in the leading of pure life. Which life? Pure life. And Asoka's Dhammas compromised all the good qualities of the religion of the world and which he was convinced. The Buddha, it is not completely Buddha. Whatever he seen in the different religion, those quality has been given in their own Dhamma, and that is known as the Ashok Dhamma. What is known as what? Ashok Dhamma. But he was the greatest follower of whom? Buddha. Understood? Buddhism. And we are not, which he was convinced, we are not exclusively and monopoly of Buddhism alone. Understood? So remember that it is not only Buddhism alone. And now we are going to remember the 14 rock edicts. Yes, याद है? लाइक में ट्राई किया होगा. चलिए आज विल सी. फर्स्ट हमें सस्ट में एनिमल्स को स्लाउटर नहीं करना चाहिए. फर्स्ट डे वी हैव टू सी दैट वी शुड नेवर गो फॉर किलिंग एनिमल्स. नेवर गो फॉर किलिंग. यस टेल मी. एनिमल्स. एंड देयर आफ्टर वी विल गो फॉर इन द साउथ. पहले हम लोगों ने एनिमल्स नहीं. अब अशोक बोल रहे हैं कि आई शुड हैव अ गुड फीलिंग विद द साउथ आल्सो. तो इन द सेकेंड रॉक एडिक्ट में आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर क्या है? पांड्याज एंड देयर इज एन आई सेड दैट चोलास एंड दिस इज आई सेड दैट चेराज और केरला पुत्रा. एंड यहाँ पर दैट इज नियर बाई चेन्नई आई सेड दैट देयर इज एन व्हाट? सत्यपुत्रा. व्हाट इज देयर? सो व्हिच आर द फोर नेम हैज बीन मेंशन्ड इन द सेकेंड रॉक एडिक्ट? यस, पांड्याज, चोलास एंड देन चेराज एंड सत्यपुत्रा. केरला पुत्र, सत्यपुत्र. अंडरस्टूड इट? So I said that Chera Pandyas Cholas तो पता ही आपको Cheras Pandyas Cholas? Yes or not? और उसी contemporary period में ही there is another this Cheras Pandyas and Cholas are coming. So these two. What is the first? What is the first? Yes, tell me. What is the first? Animal slaughter. Second? Clear. Cheras Pandyas Cholas. Cheras are Kerala Putra. And then I said that next one is I said that Satyaputra. Next one I said that ध्यान से आपने सुना होगा समाहर्ता. What is the समाहर्ता? जो सारे कलेक्टर ऑफ रेवेन्यू. I have done that. कलेक्टर ऑफ रेवेन्यू. मन्नीदाता. ट्रेजरी. हेड ऑफ द ट्रेजरी. मनी 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 से मनी पैसा, लेकिन एक्चुअल में क्या है? सन्नीदाता. मन्नीदाता. समाहर्ता. एंड राजू का. राजा झुक कर क्या करता है? मेजर में. अंडरस्टूड? एंड देन आप लोगों को क्या बनना है? प्रदेशिका. व्हाट वी हैव टू बिकम? इट इज एन डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. यस और नो? हेड ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. प्रदेशिका. समझ में आ गया? प्रदेशिका. सो विच आर द नेम्स वी हैव सीन एबल टू लोकेट. नाउ थर्ड बुद्धिस्ट रॉक एडिक्ट्स वी आर गोइंग टू सी. सॉरी, द अशोका रॉक एडिक्ट्स. Pradesika. Who is this? district administrator everywhere, yes or not? Asoka is empire में districts are there, तो इसमें मैंने direction किसको दिया? Yes, tell me. Pradeshika. And then who will be there everywhere to measure the land? Rajukas will be everywhere. Yes or no? Raja झुक के land measurement. So direction given to Pradeshika and Rajukas to what? Propagate Dhamma. Understood? तो तीसरा काम क्या किया? First it is an I said that slaughter of animals. Second day आपने क्या किया? Yes, tell me. Cheras, Pandyas, Cholas, and then Satyaputra. And third day, three appointments. Which are the three appointments? Pradesikas and Rajukas. Every district has this thing. Pradesika and Rajuka. For what? Propagating. और जब propagating करोगे तो how many society division कितना है? 4 division of the society. Then fourth day we'll study what is the impact of Dhamma on the society. So what is the fourth rock they did? Can you understand? I am talking about 4 को किससे connect कर रहा हूँ? 4 division of society. So that you can remember what is the fourth rock I did? Yes, tell me. Impact of Dhamma on society. How many society? 4 society. Yes. फिर हम लोगों ने सोचा यार 5th day I'll appoint 5 Dhamma Mahamatra. I'll appoint who will think of what is a caretaker of Dhamma. So that minister is known as, yes, tell me, Dhamma Mahamatra. So appointment of, then for the propagation of Dhamma, what the Asoka did? Appointment of, and how many he appointed? 5. Can you remember how many? Okay, I said that one is in the north, another is the west, another is the east, and then central, and then east, south. यहाँ पे 5 provinces ऐसे थे, तो he is under the direct rule. So उससे आप याद रख सकते हैं 5 Dhamma Mahamatra, 5 Dhamma Mahamatra appointments, and then with the help of this you can remember 5th rock edict. Dhamma Mahamatra, Dhamma is spreading everything. तो अब क्या होगा? Welfare होगा, woman emancipation होगा, means there is an empowerment of women. Yes, education आएगा, health sector will increase. Yes or not? Sanitation will be there better. Water supply will be there. This way, how many measures? Welfare measures. 6 welfare measures. कितने welfare measures? So 6th rock edict. Can you remember? Welfare measures. और जब when we have done the 6th welfare measures, अब क्या होगा? Society everywhere there will be what? 7th day आपको क्या feeling होगी? Sunday. What is this? 7th day, what you will feel? Peace. What you will see? Propagation of peace, balance of mind and faith. याद हो गया? What is the first? Slaughter of animals. Second, south हो गया. Third, I said that आपको कितने? 3 appointment of Pradeshika and Rajukas. And then for propagation of Dhamma. Fourth, impact on the society. Dhamma impact. Fifth, अपने Dhamma Mahamatras. What is the 5th rock I did? How many Dhamma Mahamatra you have appointed? 5. And then this Dhamma Mahamatra and all, they have done what? Welfare measures. How many welfare? 6. And then 7th day, what you got? Peace. What you got? Peace, balance of mind and faith. And then 8th day, you thought I will go towards Bodhi tree. कहाँ जाऊँगा मैं? I'll go towards. And if you'll go towards Bodh Gaya, Bodhi tree, तो you will feel पैदल चलते जाओगे, तो you will feel what? Stress. होगा stress कि नहीं होगा? या तो नहीं होगा. Stress होगा. गर्मी में तो stress होगा. वैसे भी ठंड में भी there will be also what? In the cold season also you'll find stress. And then 8th is talking about stress on the different kind of ceremony on Dhamma. तो वो धम्मा के लिए कहाँ जा रहे थे? Bodhi tree. And then we can be able to see, 9th it is what? Stress. 8th is Bodhi tree. 8th is what I said that? Details of visit to. और जब वो रास्ते में जा रहे थे, he was feeling stress. On the 9th day, 8th day he started moving to Bodhi tree. तो initial जब start करते हो, you are feeling, oh, I am going towards. Second day, you started what? So 9th day he started feeling stress for the ceremony on Dhamma हम लोग जा रहे हैं. And when we are on the way, I heard about popularity of जैसे जैसे I'll come near to Bodhi tree, we'll heard about popularity of Dhamma. 7th, yes, what is the 7th? Sorry, what is the 8th? moving towards Bodhi tree. 9th day, strays, and then for the Dhamma, and then moving towards this is finding what is the strays. 3rd and 10th day, popularity of Dhamma. Understood? अब जब पहुंच गए तो what we have seen popularity, but there you started appreciation of everybody is appreciating about Dhamma. वहां पे सब लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Yes, Buddha has given the best Dhamma. Everyone, Asoka has given the best Dhamma. 8th day, again I said day. What is the 8th day? Visit to Bodhi tree. 9th, then what is the strays on the ceremony of Buddha, and then the 9th day it is there, and then 10th day, popularity of Dhamma. So you are, when you started going toward that, Asoka desired to gain popularity. He wants to this, and then 11th day, जब आप वहां पर पहुंच गए, and you said that everybody is on which day you have reached, and 11th day you are finding everyone is what? Appreciating the Dhamma, the appraisal of Dhamma, and promotion to religion of different faiths. And then आप उस दिन सभी लोगों को faith करने लग गए, सभी पे promote कर रहे हैं कि believe on this faith, you have to believe on it, you have to faith on it. So 12th it is what? 12th is what? Promotion of faith. और faith से आप क्या करोगे? Different faiths. So he was promoting not only one faith, he was also promoting different faiths. He was not having only Buddhism, he was others also. And 13, you know that Kalinga war. 13th is what? 13th rock edit is what? 261 BC. And then 14th, जितना चीज कर लो सारा, फिशरमैन हंटर्स, वो लोग बोलते रहे कि हम लोगों ने क्या कर दिया? We stopped hunting. They stopped hunting, and so many things you can see that faith of the ruler and kingdom, Dhamma is so many things. Nature of all other rock edicts, inclusion of Ashoka into Sangha, it is talking about, and this is a bilingual things has been written. And then fishermen, hunters gave up hunting and all. So it is in the 14th rock edict. What is the first rock edict? Yes, slaughter of animals should be prohibited. Second, south, बस इतना ही याद रखो. Third, appointment of 3 Parshad. अब हमें क्या करना है? Pradesika and Rajukas for the propagation of Dhamma. Then 4th, impact of Dhamma on society. 5th, appointment of Dhamma Mahatmatra. How many? 5. 6, welfare measures. 7, peace. And then what is the balance of mind and faith. 8, moving towards visit to Bodhi tree. 9 days started finding strays on the different ceremony of Dhamma. Then 9th day, and then 10th day, as you are reaching near, we have seen the popularity, the Asoka's desire towards creating the popularity of Dhamma. And then 11th day you reached there. What do you got? Appreciation. And then you say that appraisal of Dhamma. And 12th day आप क्या करने लगे? जब आप इतना ज़्यादा भर जाओगे, so much, then you started others to what is na, come and then join this. Then the faith. Then you will say that promotion of, I said that, different faiths. And 13th rock edit is talking about Kalinga war. याद हो गया आपको? And 14th is this. And I talked about, yes, these are the different names to Asokas and all. Thereafter I am talking about what are the 3 administrative system. You can be able to see that it is in a judicial, legislature and administration. Yes, Anna? Judicial. And who is the all authority? It is under the king. और इसके बारे में भी हम लोगों ने आई कीप ऑन डिस्कसिंग लिटिल बिट थिंग. सो आई सेड दैट द किंग वाज द सुप्रीम एंड sovereign authority. Yes or no? Yes? Just raise your hand. What is the meaning of sovereign? Yeah? Bas. Internally free, externally free. Nobody can interfere. Internally you should have a democracy. यहाँ पे ऐसा ना आ जाए कि मोनार्च हो जाए. Externally you are also free. Understood? So I said that I said that supreme and sovereign authority of Mauryan Empire, and then I said he had a supreme executive, legislative, and judiciary. Every kind of administrative system it has having in their hand. And then I said that head of the executive, Mauryan king, maintained social order by punishing the guilty. He was responsible for the safety and security of the kingdom. ये general सी बातें हैं. And then I said that he appointed ministers and other officers for running the administration. And then Mauryan king was the head of the सभी जितने भी department हैं, in every department who is the head? King. And it was his duty to ensure the justice to the people, redress their grievances. And then Mauryan Empire was vast, and his vastness debarred the king from the personally deposing of all the cases, but he was the final court of appeal. Yes or not? वो सभी cases को देखना चाहते थे, but in such a large empire, large number of people and their problem, he cannot be. Therefore, he appointed several